the official retail version. This is not a prototype or a pre-production model like some of the other tech YouTubers were getting. This is the official retail version. So if you're a consumer, this is what you're gonna expect. Okay, now this is the Verizon model. So as you can see, it says Verizon right there on this side. Here is just some other info. On the bottom of the box, there's nothing. On top, it says LG, life's good, and life is good. And on the bottom, it says package contains. Pause the video, read that for yourself. Just gonna get into it. Now, I do not need this knife since I don't see any tape here, I don't think. So let's open it. And wow. Very nice. Look at that. All screen. Okay. Turn it on, leave it to the side. What else do we get in the box? We receive Meet Your Phone. Alright. Verizon always got to put their boot animation. Sucks. Travel adapter. Take a look at this. Alright, here you go. Where's this? Fast charge. LG branding. I'm going to get it in here. If I can get the camera to focus. Pause the video, read that for yourself. Here we have our USB cable, USB data cable. Let's open this up. There you go. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah. And check out the length of this cable. That's an alright length. It's not too long. I'd say, I don't know, 4 feet or something like that. I don't know. So you can see here's USB Type-C. Alright. So here's the phone. What you all want to see. I'm going to turn the screen off so I can take the plastic off. Take a listen, guys. And no plastic in the back except for this sticker. I'm going to take this off. You guys don't need to see this. Do this part behind the camera. My gosh, this sticker is really on here. Wow. Don't want to scratch the glass panel doing this. I mean, look at this. Gosh. Oh, man. Okay, taking a sticker off shouldn't be this hard. My gosh. LG, what are you doing? Okay, got it. And take that off. Let's see, put this on here. Okay. Left some residue there, but I'll clean that up later. Alright, so this is the phone. Alright. On this side you have the volume buttons. Here you have the your SIM ejection tool or your SIM slot right there. Power button in the back. Got 2 cameras, right? One is wide angle, one is regular, and one has optical image stabilization. The other one does not. Power button, got some branding there. On the bottom, you have your bottom firing speaker, mic, USB Type-C. It looks like we have more plastic here, which I'll take that off later. So yeah, this is pretty much the phone. First impressions, feel in the hand. The feel in the hand is excellent. For a phone that has a 5.7-inch display, it doesn't even feel like this feels like a 5-inch phone. Straight up. Okay, next. How to activate your phone, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Looks like I have to put my SIM in, I guess. Let's see. I guess so. Okay, well, I'll do that later. Basically, this is how the phone looks like. Alright. Now let's compare it to some other devices. Here's my S7 Edge. S7 Edge is in a case, but you get the idea. Right? Screen size. There you go. What else do I got? Pixel XL. Quick size comparison for y'all. Phone sandwich. There you go. OnePlus 3T. 5.5 inch phone. Here's the back. There you go. Phone sandwich. Alright. The stupid large HTC Ultra. I mean, look at that. It's just both. Now, mind you, both are 5.7 inch devices. And look at the G6. I mean, look at that. That's ridiculous. Alright. Huawei Mate 9. So you can see size difference there. Now the Mate 9, I do like the Mate 9. Considering this phone has a 5.9 inch display. It's not that big. And of course, the iPhone Red Edition. There we go. And again, look at the footprint. 5.7 inch phone, 5.5 inch phone. But look at the footprint, how much smaller the G6 is. Look at that. It fits inside of an iPhone 7 Plus. That's ridiculous. Alright, so Snapdragon 821, 4 gigs of memory on this phone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and put my SIM